Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and the Galaxy A14 and Target display share the same network because mirroring uses local streaming. Swipe down twice from the top edge to open Quick Settings. This gives you immediate access to Screencast. Once done, tap the Smart View or Cast icon. If you don't see it, edit the Quick Settings to add it. Doing this now saves time and avoids digging through menus later. After opening Smart View, you'll see a list of available receivers. This list appears because your phone broadcasts a discovery packet over Wi-Fi. Tap the name of your TV or casting device to initiate the session. Make sure the TV or dongle displays a pairing prompt and accept it. This authorizes the connection and establishes the video stream. If a PIN appears, enter it on your phone. Once connected, you'll see your phone screen mirrored, and audio follows automatically unless you adjust output settings. To finalize the setup, adjust brightness, rotation lock, and do not disturb so notifications don't interrupt the mirror. These small settings improve presentation quality. If the stream lags or fails, restart the phone and TV, confirm both are on the same network, and reconnect Smart View. This often clears handshake issues. If problems persist, check the TV's input selection and firmware, or use a wired alternative like HDMI or a Chromecast on Ethernet for stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.